When asked about his love of mid-century furniture, Kevin DeMay answers with a crime story. The year was 2002, and he had just moved from his native Massachusetts to Manhattan. To celebrate, the young designer bought a long-coveted vintage Fingel chair online and arranged to collect it from a Greyhound bus that was arriving at Port Authority. The table and chairs in the dining area are by BDDW, the custom ceiling fixture is by Olympia, the flooring is white oak, and the room is painted in Benjamin Moore's intense white. Wrestling the bulky piece through a service gate, DeMay overlooked a key detail: swiping his MetroCard. Enter a transit cop, and a hefty ticket. Surely the moral of the story is that the chair was more trouble than it was worth? No. It's one of my favorite pieces, DeMay says. I've reupholstered it 3 times. In the family room, the custom sectional is covered in Great Plains and Omnia fabrics. The cocktail table by Daniel Scuderi and the chandelier by Translux are both custom. The Icare International sconces are from Ralph Pucci. The curtains are of a stark fabric, and the carpet is by Taiping. The walls are in a Gilroy leather. The ceiling is painted in Benjamin Moore's bison brown, and the artwork is by Zipporah Fried. These days, the furniture is delivered by other people, but a sleeves rolled up New England practicality endures. DeMay, who worked for designer Russell Groves before opening his own design studio in 2009, has honed a style very much his own. Carefully mixing mid-century classics, contemporary art, cool hues, and rich textures, he gives clients' homes a metropolitan elegance that feels casual and current. Unsurprisingly, his brand of unfussy sophistication is a hit among young Manhattan families, including one that recently tapped him to craft a home in their TRIBECA loft.